You're wasting time and losing leads because your business is running on patchwork tools. Every minute you're switching between inboxes, missing calls, or forgetting follow-up is killing your growth. Real Leads Finder Pro's AI system isn't just another tool. It's your entire business automated. Missed a call? With our missed call text back system, every call gets an instant text message and your personal live conversation bot ready to respond, so no opportunity slips through. Social media dead zone? Schedule posts across all your platforms from one place using AI-generated captions and posts. Messages all over the place? Stop jumping from one platform to the next. Now you can filter every conversation into one unified inbox, making it easy to monitor, manage, and reply to all incoming and outgoing conversations. From texts, emails, to DMs, to web chats. Still chasing payments manually? Send invoices with one tap using our text-to-pay feature. Spending hours replying to leads? Let your 24/7 AI sales bot qualify, respond, and book appointments for you. No more guessing where your leads are in the pipeline. No more duct-taped apps. Just one platform doing the work of 5 employees. AI isn't optional anymore. It's essential for your business survival. Start now and stop letting your business run you.